In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Google AI Studio app on the App Store. Open up Google AI Studio, click on Build, then select your apps, and from here you want to load up the app which you want to publish on the App Store. Now from here, we will need to sync it to GitHub. So just click on this button here that says Sync to GitHub, and it is going to ask you to sign into your account. I've already signed into my GitHub account and created a repository here. And if you click on the link, it should take you to the repository on GitHub. Okay, so once you have successfully synced it, then we will need to go to Vercel here, create a Vercel account if you don't have one already. And then you will click on Add New. This is going to be the home screen, and we will select Project. Now from here, we will need to link it to our GitHub account as well. So once you sign into GitHub, it is going to automatically detect your repositories. From here, you want to find the repository which we just created here, and we will click on Import. Scroll down until you see the option to deploy, and just click on Deploy. It is going to take a few minutes to publish your app, but once it has been published, you will be able to find it here underneath Projects. And we want to right click on the link which Vercel just created for us and copy it. So I'm going to copy the link address. The last step will be going into Medium.co, and here we will need to convert it basically into a native app. So just paste the link which we copied, and you will select Build Your App. Set a name for it. I'm going to do it like that, and click on Start Building My App. You can follow along the process if you click on Simulator here, Simulator, and it is going to make it for iOS, the iOS App Store, Android, iPad, and basically how it's going to look. Okay, so here what we need to do is click on Build and Download, and here you will be able to see the IPA and the source code. In order to upload it to the App Store, click on Build here, depending on what you need, either the source code or IPA, and this is going to take a few seconds here to give you the download. So here you can just click on Download, and once you have downloaded your source code or IPA, you will then log into your Apple developer account, and you will upload the project on your Apple developer account, and that is how you publish your Google AI Studio app on the App Store, the Apple App Store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.